Okay, this might be the most useful cargo bike I've ever tested. I'm not kidding. This thing carried all my camera gear, the kids' backpacks, groceries, and it didn't even flinch. Let me show you why the TST Carrier Cargo E-Bike surprised me. So guys, this is Daddy O from the O family. Hope you are having an amazing day. We are back with another bike review. And today we got something special, the brand new TST Carrier Cargo E-Bike.
Say what?
Big thanks to TST for sending this out and partnering with us again. We loved their bikes last time, so I'm excited to see how this one performs. All right, so let's get into it. All right, let's open the box. For a cargo e-bike, this box is actually smaller compared to a lot of other e-bikes I've reviewed, and definitely smaller than most cargo bikes. Opening it up was a breeze. Everything's packed nicely with plenty of styrofoam and zip ties holding things in place. Let's dig in deeper and cut some of these zip ties to see what all comes in the box. And here it is. The bike looks sharp in this black color. We've got the 20 by 3 inch front wheel, the rear seat setup that we'll have to assemble, the center stand, the children's seat, and the running board bars. Those will need assembly too. Here's the front fork, the stem, and it looks like we'll be putting that together as well. The handlebar front fender, all right here. In the smaller box, we've got the 54.6 volt, 2 amp charger, a bunch of washers and screws, a tool kit, left and right pedals, a derailleur guard, and the user manual. Alright, let's start putting this bike together. I usually work on the front wheel first, but for this build I'm starting with the center stand just so I can pop the bike up and make everything easier to reach. So first, unscrew the bolts, line up the center stand, and tighten everything down. Next up is the stem assembly. I'm taking off this metal bar on the stem, removing the top screw so I can slide the ring off, then dropping the stem through the top of the post. Once it's in place, put that ring back on and tighten the top screw again. Now for the handlebar, remove the faceplate, slide the bars into position, and loosely tighten the screws so you can adjust the height and angle. Once it's lined up the way you like it, tighten everything down so it doesn't move around. Now the front tire. Make sure to unscrew the side bolts, take off the brake guard, and this part is totally optional. I like to flip the bike over when I install the wheel. It just makes lining up the rotor easier. Slide the wheel in carefully and tighten the bolts on both sides. Next is the children's seat. You want to make sure you've got the right bars, the long one, the short one, and the correct screws. There are long screws and medium screws, so match them to the right spots and tighten everything into place. Then the rear seat. You'll need to remove the screws on the back, line up the seat with the mounting holes, and tighten them down. Now, the instructions weren't very clear on this part, and the online video showed a different version of the model, so I actually had to remove the back seat again to take the seat cushion off. That's the only way I could fit the children's seat correctly. Once that's done, reinstall it and secure everything tightly. Now the running boards. Slide them into place under the kid's seat and screw them in on both sides. Next, remove the screws up front and slide in the front fender. Tighten everything back down along with the headlight. Finally, slide in the seat post, clamp it down, adjust it to your height, and then add your left and right pedals. Tighten those in the correct direction, and you're good to go. Alright guys, after putting everything together, man, this bike looks good. The black color is sharp in person. TST gives you 2 color options, white or black, and this one here is the black version. Honestly, it fits the cargo style really nicely. You can see how solid the frame is. This isn't a lightweight commuter, it's built to haul. The rear rack is long and sturdy, the welds look clean, and the whole thing looks premium. So here's what this bike is packing. You get a 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery, and depending on your riding style and how much weight you're carrying, you can get up to about 60 miles of max range. For school pickups, errands, grocery runs, that's plenty for a full day or two without charging. The motor is a 750 watt base motor that peaks at 1300 watts and it pushes out 90 Newton meters of torque. And trust me, you feel that torque when you take off. Even with weight on the rack, it doesn't hesitate at all. The big one, this bike has a 450 pound max capacity. That's huge for an e-bike. The frame, the rear rack, everything is built for real utility. You're riding on 20 by 3.0 inch tires, which give you a really stable feel. Not too fat, not too skinny, just the right size for comfort and control, especially when you're carrying stuff. For stopping power, you get mechanical disc brakes. They're smooth, predictable, and they stop this heavy bike pretty well, even when it's loaded. And the seat is actually really comfortable. Wide enough for longer rides, plus the upright riding position makes it super easy on your back. You also get a bright front headlight, and the display is simple. Speed, battery, and pedal assist levels. Nothing confusing or cluttered. Alright, right now I'm on pedal assist 1. Let's see. Oh yeah, the torque is right away. And right now I'm going about 8 miles per hour. Pedal assist 1, and that's pretty much it. It stops right there. Let me try pedal assist 2. So you can hear the motor kick in. Now I'm going about 11 miles per hour. It does not go higher than that. Pedal assist 3. Oh yeah, motor kicks in. It does have great torque. They did say 90 Newton meter torque, so you do feel the torque. It's going about 15. Pedal assist 3, pedal assist 4. Going about 16, 18, 18 on pedal assist 4, and then pedal assist 5, 21, pedal assist 5, going about 21 miles per hour. Let me try, here we go. Thumb throttle. Alright, going about 21. 21 is the highest. Nice cruise along. Yeah, overall, as a cargo bike, it does not feel like it's really big, like a huge SUV, slowly moving along, and you have to take a wide turn because of the big body. You do not feel like that at all with this one. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Woo. We doing good? You doing good?
Oh, yes, reindeer.
Reindeer?
Oh, look, you ought to do this.
What?
Yeah, I love playing
Huh? You guys cold?
No, no, yeah, it just fun. It scared me. Why, Dad?
Yep. Alright, I have 2 boys back there, Charlie and Marcus. How much you guys weigh?
Like 50?
Marcus weighs around 50, Charlie weighs, how much Charlie weigh, 100? 40?
Yeah, 40 or 50.
So having Charlie and Marcus, both of our boys back there, no problem hauling them through our neighborhood. I'm gonna go fast.
Little dog!
So this is perfect.
So cute!
Is that a pig? That's a pig. You see that piggy? Oh yeah, Santa Claus on the roof. So like I was saying, this is perfect for dropping the kids off at school, grocery shopping run. Not right now. Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, this is fun.
Is that fun? All right. right, so after riding this bike, as usual, there's always going to be pros and cons. Not every bike is going to be perfect. And here are a few cons. One, this is a cargo bike, so it is heavy. Definitely not something you can pick up a lot. And two, it takes up space in the garage. It does take up quite a space because of the child safety bar, which I have to constantly clear out the garage. And lastly, wish they had a built-in turn signal, the tail light, and also a horn would have been a nice safety feature. And onto the pros, there are a lot. Frames are really strong, and it is built for hauling kids and hauling heavy objects. And I had Marcus go in and out, pushing down on this, and nothing really cracked or moved around, so that was a big plus. And then the long range for this, 60-mile max range, is a great for a cargo e-bike. Power 1300 watt peak motor, 90 newton meter torque. You do feel the torque, and it does have great power. And I had Marcus and Charlie in the back, no problem pushing them around in the neighborhood. 450-pound capacity is amazing, especially for cargo e-bikes. Comfortable upright riding position, bright headlights, and it comes with great brakes, stable 20x3 tires. So that's the TST Carrier Cargo e-bike. Honestly, if you're looking for something that can replace those short car trips and actually handle real life hauling, this thing is solid. Huge thank you to the TST team for sending this bike out and being so awesome to work with again. They also set up a special link and discount code just for you guys. So if you want to check it out, use discount code STEVEO, that's STEVEOH, and the link down below so you guys can go check it out. It really helps support our channel and we appreciate it a ton. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.